If you ever to this website, that is the Rumpus.net, the most trusted website that pays you for writing. Here in this amazing website, if they accept your article, you will get paid $100 immediately via PayPal. And for sure, there are different limitations or conditions or guidelines you've got to follow to make your experience here splendid and profitable. For instance, here you can make your own article. It's a unique article, not copy paste from different resources. It's not AI generated. This article and your publishing must be in your voice and human style. So in this video, how you can write this article to be accepted here in this amazing platform and get paid immediately like a boss. So first of all, here in this homepage of this website, the Rumpus.net, here you can find a variety of different publishing here from different users, and for sure they were paid here from this amazing website as you see. And to join this amazing website to write for them, just you can scroll all the way to the bottom here to reach this section that says about writers guidelines. So click over that, then you will be taken to this page. They introduce what the Rumpus was established in the United States and so on, and they accept various pool of articles. It could be prose and poetry writings like stories, interviews, book summaries, social situations, and much more. So it gives us the flexibility to write here down your publishing and your thought and get paid as you want. So here, if you want to join this amazing website and submit your pitch and your writing, like go to this one, submitting your writing. And for sure here, as I said earlier, here you can find many of these topics you can actually write about. So here, if you write your own publishing and pitch, we pay $100 for prose submissions and comics and $50 for poetry. Then we can increase these payments, we will. And for sure you can find a variety of these topics like comics, essays, poetry, book reviews, criticism, original fiction, interviews, and much more. So here it's the best for you, just you can actually publish your own article and send them your pitch as you can talk with your friend, because here it reflects your human voice and your style. Don't pretend to be more professional and over exaggerated in expressions like you can do on ChatGPT or any AI chatbot. So this website need authentic and genuine writing from real persons, real human experiences, and much more. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can do that simply with a smart trick. So follow me and stick with me in this video. So here for sure you can find for every single type here different guidelines. As I said earlier, here you can find some conditions to write down your comics or essays and so on. Or for example, you've got to write your article under 800 words. Okay, perfect. So for example, how we can make your article like in your human voice and to be accepted here in this amazing website simply and with no fluff and bullshit. Now we can head over to one of the most places where people can actually talk about their ideas, their opinions, their experience and attitudes. For sure it's youtube.com. Here on YouTube, you can look for different topics and people are talking about their directions, attitudes, and so on. So for example, if you search for different videos that started with something like why I stopped, and here for sure you can find different suggestions from YouTube like why I stopped creatine, why I stopped the keto diet, why I stopped drinking, wearing wigs, mechanical keyboard, and so on. So here you can find these different ideas and expressions from different people's real persons, not AI at all. So for example, here if we look for one of them like why I stopped wearing makeup, for example, for ladies and women, here you can find many of these videos. As you see, people are talking about their experience and their own private idea as you observe. So all you have to do is you can watch all these videos as you want to grasp the whole idea where this female just declined to wear makeups anymore. So it could be cultural, religious, and so on. So it opens your idea and horizon to get different causes why some people or women can reject wearing and stop wearing makeup or something like that. So that you can actually watch all these entire videos as out of inspiration and not just to copycat the experience. Therefore, go together to Google Translate where you can jot down your own idea and your style, as you can write down your idea regarding this issue or regarding this topic. So you can get different ideas, different attitudes, different aspects from different videos, and then you can insert your touch here directly in your writing, as you can talk with in your native language like Arabic, Spanish, Portuguese to your friend or as a public writer, and it would be translated directly to English, for example, and then you can make something to proofread your writing and to be more polished and professional. Then you can publish this on Output to the rumpus.net. It's easy, it's simple that you can write your article here not like a professional author and so on, but your own voice and your style as a human writer. Okay, or there is something else you can do that simply and as out of inspiration as well. Here you can head over to Quala.sh. It's an amazing AI tool to write your articles, to convert YouTube videos to articles and so on. So head over to the tool Quala Writer, and then you can go down to the section article type, and here in this drop down menu you can find different types like blog post, listicle, Amazon product roundup, and so on. And here you can find that section that says YouTube video to blog post. Here you can convert your YouTube video to your summary or a mini blog post. So you can take this one as a start point to write your own article in your style and your experience as well. I just repeat this one: take YouTube videos and take any video you watch as an inspiration, not copy paste. You make your own writing based on different ideas and different aspects and perspectives to make your own writing unique and in your voice and your style. I just confirm that's your style and your voice. Okay, so simply if you take one of these videos to get a summary or to get a short and mini article to start with like this one, and you create your article here. As you see, why I stopped wearing makeup, the speaker shared her personal transition away from daily makeup use, and so on and so forth, as you see. You can take this one as a summary, or just you can grasp the whole idea this video is around. Perfect. So I just so make sure that your own final result with your own output and your style and your voice. Then, for example, if we take this one as your own writing that you can got from Google Translate at the end point and Google Doc. So here you can head over to Chat GPT. So here I can take the whole article, okay, like this one, and go to Chat GPT. We can ask Chat GPT to proofread this article to make it as you write, as your author and your writer human voice. And for sure, if you just want to make your own writing in a one of these popular figures who are speaking in public like Michelle Obama and so on, you can actually direct ChatGPT to make your writing in the voice of someone else, or your own writing if you got this one from some sentences. So here you can turn this writing in this article that sounds robotic or from ChatGPT to a beautiful human voice or an interactive tone. For sure, just to talk about how you can make your own article human 100%. You can find this video down below in the description box in the first comment. And then the final step, here you've got to make your own Chat GPT output more humanized. So you've got to use this amazing website that is stealthwriter.ai. Here you can bypass any AI detectors. First, it gives you a free plan. It's awesome and more than enough. Here you can paste your chunk of your article one by one to make your own piece of content more human and as from you, not from ChatGPT or from AI anyway. So that way you can create your own voice article under 800 words that talk about different situations, different attitudes, comics, essays, opinions, experiences, and much more. Then send them and send your pitch to the rumpus.net. And if they like your pitch and your draft, it would be sent directly via PayPal $100. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.